Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates. Now we have to enter developer options, and if you cannot find those options in your device, no worries, it's quite normal. You have to activate them. So you have to simply enter the About phone, find the build number and keep tapping on it until you will see that you're in the developer mode. If you feel that you want to see it, simply check our tutorial of how to enable them and come back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. So to turn them on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which means that your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not have to do it manually, simply remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.